Well, now I'm down here. Gotta get myself out. And I do not have the skills to do it. Nope. I feel like hitting one of the single tracks for the first time. One of the black trails, so we'll see how that goes. But first, let's get some good warm up in. Get comfortable. That's crazy. You're not sliding out everywhere. Man, this looks so much scarier than it is. Here's going to be the first Black Diamond Trail I've ever done. But I've watched videos of people doing it. It didn't look bad at all. So I feel like my going so slow is almost making it more difficult. Oh my dude, that's so much sketchier than I thought it was. Alright. Oh my. Oh. Okay, I don't know if I'm ready for Black Diamond. That was sketchy. That drop was way more intense than I thought it was going to be. Whew. Infinite. Got a little there. This is so sick. So apparently this trail is not too difficult. So let's send it the most difficult Big Creek Trail. Let's do it. A little wet. There we go. That's a little tricky. Oh my God. Oh. Well, that's not good. Oh, shoot. How am I gonna grab this? Oh, that didn't sound good. Oh, dude. That drop. And then it kicked me out to the side, and then I tried to hit the brakes and I lost traction. Oh man, It's exactly what I did not want to have happen. Shoot. Alright, so here I spent some time contemplating, realizing like, oh man, this is a tough situation, and definitely at this point I was realizing this is why you should not be riding a Black Diamond Trail as a beginner alone. Learned that lesson the hard way. It's so much steeper than it looks. I wish I could just do like a pivot turn, but don't have the skills for that yet, so having another person there at least would have made it a lot easier. Well, I never thought I'd be down in the middle of a creek. That's good. Oh no. Oh, why did that happen? Oh no, that's not good. I'm thinking about standing next to the bike and walking the bike up. I've never done it before, and it's too slippery. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I knew I should not have gone down that drop, and it was like, it's not a mountain bike. Well, now I'm down here, gotta get myself out. And I do not have the skills to do it. Let's just try to deadlift this. Okay, good attempt. I'll take it, I'll take it. No, don't slide back. Okay. Nope, don't go that way. Nope, it's still that way. Oh, there's a burnout. Spin out. Back in the book. All the way. I decided that possibly compacting the dirt down and trying to stomp it down might make it a little bit easier to gain some traction, because it was just super loose soil. This is what you get for riding alone, and going to trails are too advanced for you. It's embarrassing. That's a pretty good run up. If I could hit that hard with momentum, send it. I cannot be hesitant. I have to just, I'm either looping or I'm making it. It's probably terrible advice. I'm just gonna sit on the bike, launch it. Oh my dude, I cannot believe I'm about to do this. Just get feet on the pegs as fast as I can. Get my momentum up. Alright, are you gonna full send or what? Alright. Oh. No! Oh. Why did I wuss out? Why did I wuss out? I had it. No! Why didn't you fall that way? I was out! I wussed out. My front wheel came up. Shoot. This should be in gear, so it's not gonna roll. Oh. Well, forgot to account for that.
wish I could just do a 180 turn. All right, I'll get you back on when I attempt it again. Cannot wuss out. Cannot wuss out. I'll take it. I'll take it. Yes! I think I could drag it up from here. It's going to be very difficult. I think I'm out. Gonna play it safe. Yes. That was fun. I thought I was gonna have to get help to get out of there. I should not be on Black Trail. I learned that lesson. I'm not gonna be doing that for a long time. But yeah, time to stick on some green trails. If my bike feels weird or anything, I'm just gonna go home. But I don't think I damaged anything. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's make it up this hill climb. Yeah, my bottle's a little stuck. Don't go that way anymore. Now I know why it's called Big Creek. People have probably gone down that creek before.